Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can mute yourself before joining a meeting in a Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be in simple in Google Meet, and then just click here, new meeting, right? And when you're gonna get a meeting link to share, when you're gonna have a meeting link, I will just paste it here, and look at this is what you need to do. You just need to click here, the mute microphone. And right when you're gonna click, look how wide am I? Yeah, something like this is better. So right in this moment, when I clicked here, when I'm going to join the meeting, the mic is automatically turned off and I need to turn it on to speak. So this is how you can mute yourself before joining a meeting. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.